Hey, it's Matt with Pufferfish. We're doing some testing today with my kids, Aspen and Ryder. We're going to do some digging a hole in the ground, see how that goes, do some hand stacking and make some small houses. Yeah. Okay, our mound is formed, hand stacked out of the beach hole right over here. Now we're going to use the scoop to form the vertical sides of the house and see how it holds up. Here we go. Tower is coming to life. Here we go. 4 mostly flat sides. Sand holding together well. We got some good corner action happening. We'll do some fine tuning with the other tools. One of the benefits of having all of these toolkits in the Pufferfish kit is right when you're getting towards the end, you might have some times where you're seeing the structure start to have these corners that don't really fully form. You want to add some sand to them, like right that one. Come over here to your bucket. It's got a little bit of water in it. I'm going to add some more sand into it. And with the sand, I can basically hand stack just by drizzling, just like getting a little bit out and adding it to the corner there. Okay, our main basic house structure is formed. One flat side, we got our pitched roof. Fix the corners at the top, both sides. Got some nice flat edges. Now we can think about doing some lines for the front door. That's what I like to do. Just have them on here. You get this small shaper and basically just start drawing a little bit of a line. Into your house. Create that door. I'm going to stop it a little bit short because I'm going to add a step up into it. Get my line there. All right, the sun comes out for our windows and door. If there's any leftover sand, we've got this nice straw to blow away the excess sand. Not a ton on this one, the sand is so coarse, but on the finer sand you're going to find that a lot more. Okay, we're getting close here. What I've just done is cleared out the space around our castle so that it's nice and contrasted, rising up out of this flat space. And it just makes all the difference in the world. I can't stress this enough to get all the space around it cleared out so that your sandcastle stands out. It's that contrast. And we're going to do even more contrast with some more drip landscaping in a yard, so that our final product will be complete. So we learned a few things today. Pretty easy to drip, make a little drip structures, especially for the yard and landscaping. Sand in the bag full of water works really well. Allows you to just hand stack nearby pretty easily and pretty quickly, all things considered. You could probably make a lot of these side by side. This would be good for families doing one per kid or something like that. Everyone could get some help, stack it all nearby, and make a little neighborhood. Okay, here we go. walking up to the house. A little hedge in front of the street. Oh, little drip hedgerow. Little tree slash kelp root. And the final house.